Okay, I want to just talk briefly about the phase portrait that we can draw for a forced harmonic oscillator like this, or a differential equation corresponding to a forced harmonic oscillator. Now the phase portrait would still be in the YV plane, where we set V equal to Y prime. Okay. But you'll notice this differential equation is not autonomous. There's no way I can write that without writing the symbol T. So T shows up in here. Okay. So it is not autonomous. I copied this from your textbook. It's on page 411. It's the solution to curve in the phase plane to this differential equation with this initial condition. So we start at 2, 0, and we kind of come around, and I'm honestly not sure whether we do this one first or this one first, but it looks like this solution curve intersects itself. It does in the YV plane. That does not violate the uniqueness theorem, because if I were to check, this satisfies the hypotheses of the existence and the uniqueness theorem. It is satisfied. It looks like these curves are crossing, but these would be at the same point at different moments in time. So if I were to truly graph this, it would have to be in 3 space, where I would have y and v and the t-axis. And so what looks like points overlapping actually aren't points overlapping. It's just like here, I crossed that point, but at different moments in time. So I was never there at the same moment in time. And you may say, but didn't we prove that that couldn't happen? And the answer is yes. We proved that that couldn't happen if we had an autonomous system. We do not have an autonomous system. So we can still draw a phase portrait for a non-autonomous system, but we should not assume that our solution curves won't intersect or even intersect themselves. That's entirely possible. They're just not intersecting at the same moment in time. Okay. With this curve, I copied this off of page 411. I think it is fascinating. I like looking at it. You are not responsible for generating phase portraits for non-autonomous systems. I just wanted you to know that you could. You could be given one and asked questions about it, but I would not expect you to generate this sort of thing. This is the sort of thing that, at least at this level of class, we would rely on technology or the authors of our textbook to provide for us.